Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video we'll be talking about this flower here. It is called hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is a very healthy flower that can be used in making a herbal tea. It has a lot of health benefits. In Ghana, the tea brewed from this flower is called Sobolo. It is also called Zobo, Bissap, and Sorrel in other countries. It has so many names, just like its health benefits. So I will talk you through few of the health benefits of this hibiscus flower, and then you can also do your own research on it. Okay, so the first health benefits of hibiscus flower that I will talk about is it is a very powerful antioxidant. Okay, and antioxidants are molecules that help fight compounds called free radicals which cause damage to your cells. So the antioxidants in the tea may therefore help prevent damage and disease caused by the build-up of free radicals. And the second health benefit of it is it helps lower blood pressure. The third one is it helps lower blood fats. Okay, so that's cholesterol. It also the fourth health benefit of it is it helps boost liver health. And finally, the fifth health benefit of hibiscus flower is that it could promote weight loss. There are other health benefits of this hibiscus flower. So go and do your own research and then find out more about this hibiscus flower. Now come with me to my kitchen and let's start to make the tea. So this is the tea that I got from the hibiscus flower. All right, so here I have some ginger, is 2 thumb size. I have 2 cups of the hibiscus flower, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cloves, 3 anistar, and a teaspoon of grain of selim. Okay, so I'll give this a quick wash because mostly it has some soil or sand on it, so you have to give it a quick wash to get rid of that. Okay, yes, and then after washing it I'll pour this into my saucepan. Okay, and then add the other ingredients except the sugar. So I've added the cloves, next the anistar, and then grain of selim, and then finally the ginger. I'll then add 2 liters of water to this and then bring it to a boil. So I'll cook this for 30 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, so that's our Sobolo, our Sorrel, our Bissap, our Zobo, our Hibiscus leaf tea right there. So it's ready now. I'll leave it to rest for about 10 minutes and then strain this. So at this point, I'm going to strain this. Okay, I'll strain it once. Right, so that's hibiscus tea or sobolo right there. I'll leave it to rest. Okay, and then add in my sugar. I am using brown sugar, but you can use granulated sugar. Okay, if you don't like sugar, you can use honey or dates to give this a very sweet taste. All right, so my hibiscus tea is ready. My sobolo, my bissap, my sorrel, my zobo is ready to be served. Sobolo is served chilled. So while you are preparing this, make sure that you have some ice cubes in your freezer. And this is very good for the summer, okay? So yes, that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.